Let's answer some questions first. Do you find yourself in constant need to control your thoughts? Do you find any doubt on your abilities or skills? Do you get offended easily? Do you feel stuck? If your answer is yes to any of these questions, then you need to work upon yourself. Hello everyone, I am Ruhi Saxena, counselor at Personalityopedia. I am here with a new technique which I named it as M.A.N.G.O technique. It will definitely help you out in organizing yourselves. So let's explore what it is. M. Manage your timetable. A. Arrange your priorities in that timetable. N. Never compensate on your holistic growth. G. Grow with each and every minute that passes by. Have that hunger to learn something. O. Opportunities are everywhere. Go grasp it. And yes, if you can't find one, then create one. Well, apply this easy to remember technique on yourself and do share your valuable feedback with me on different social media platforms. Or you can create your own technique which works for you, as mango is my favorite fruit, so it's easy for me to remember. Do take care of yourself because you are important. Thank you.